Bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umkhosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkhosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho is about Musa's Mseleku's fifth wife uMakhwela, guys. We are not sure whether uMakhwela lobola yakhe seyibhadaliwe or what, because on the previous episode of Uthando Nesithembu uMusa Mseleku sibone acela uSnake ukuthi ucela ahambe nabakhongi ukuthi bayomlobolela uMakhwela. So obvious the season issued last year, maybe now sakalotsholiwe, but we'll find out tomorrow, which is Wednesday, ukuthi what is the situation kaMakhwela, sorry, kaMseleku, because we've also seen that umacele uke wagcokisa uMakhwela athi uyamamukela kaMseleku, and umacele uke washo ukuthi yena akafuna ukuhlangana nentombi zakaMseleku but akanankinga nokuhlangana nonkosikazi. So we don't know yet what is the situation kaMakhwela kaMseleku, guys. But what I've noticed about dress code kaMakhwela, for me is appropriate, but knowing uMusa Mseleku, and since we know that uMusa Mseleku akathanda amakhosikazi wakhe mawagcoka njengabantu abangashadanga, like ikhona indlela futhi nathi njengabantu abangashadanga banendlela le yena athanda bagcoka ngayo, of which ukuthi bagcoka amaroko, bangagcoka izinto eziveza umzimba, bangagcoka amabhruku. But uMakhwela has posted a very beautiful picture on IG stories zakhe. You can see, guys, kulapho khona agcoke this dress, and you can see ukuthi the dress is short. I don't think uMusa Mseleku uzoyivuma, and there are other pictures on Instagram yakhe whereby you get uzigcokela crop top yakhe, uzigcokela ama-jeans wakhe. So and we do know that uMusa Mseleku akamthandi or akafuna akathanda amakhosikazi wakhe mawagcoka amabhruku. I don't understand akamthandi umuntu ogcoka ibhruku, but akathanda amakhosikazi wakhe mawagcoka amabhruku. Uthi yena uthanda ukuthi abantu amakhosikazi wakhe mawagcoka agcoke ahloniphisile, but angazi lokuhloniphisa kwakhe kuhambe kufike kuphi, because on the previous episode where uMakhwela, why ngimiza uMakhwela bekazo-introduce-wa or bakazolethwa kaMseleku, bakagcoke, mina for me it was not respectful, because bakaveza ingalo, bekangathwelanga ugela azigcokela iwivi yakhe. So mina for me I just saw it as if akahloniphisanga, especially since kaMseleku bokuzoba nomsebenzi. We know that thina abanye we know that if kunomsebenzi emzini wabantu ugcoka mhlambe noma ngabe ugcoka iroko elizoveza ingalo, but ubuyisa into phezulu ukuhloniphisa futhi uphinde uthwale. But yena bangagcokanga kanjalo, even abantu bebamkhaphile bebazigcokele nje ama-dresses wabo. Yes, traditional dresses, beautiful dresses, but not for umuntu oyothulelwa abantu basebukhweni. Mina for me bengekho respectful, but asiyazi into kaMseleku ukuthi wena uMseleku njengoba bakhulu iyatshintsha. I mean, I'm thinking ukuthi the more akhula, you know, bayasho ukuthi umuntu makaguga, even if u-strict, ubu-strict bakhe engathi uyayehla, engathi ukhula athambe. uMseleku I think saka-reach leso sigaba, ngoba even I saw uMayeni azigcokele beautiful suit yakhe, isuthi yakhona yibhruku on the diary session. I've seen uMakhumalo naye azigcola ibhruku. Okay, Mayeni singasho ukuthi hayi phela kulamalanga naye ayigela uyazilwela, so mhlambe kule point ukuthi you know what, mina ngizogcoka into engiyifunayo ngesikhathi engizifunayo. But uMakhumalo, you know, uMakhumalo do respect to uMusa Mseleku, even namanje noma angavumelani naye, indlela am-addressa ngayo ukuthi see ukuthi she does respect uMusa Mseleku, even though uMusa Mseleku last ambuzile ukuthi uyangihlonipha, usho yes ngiyakuhlonipha, and now uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuhlonipha, uyamhlonipha. Even for me ngibona ngathi uMakhumalo uyamhlonipha uMusa Mseleku, and a lot of things uMusa Mseleku asenza, even lezi ezi-wrong, uMakhumalo uyazivuma. So naye uMakhumalo I've seen agcoka amabhruku. I don't know whether uMusa Mseleku mhlambe sekatshintshile or what, but bazala bamsitho, please do comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.